Log Home Kit for $40,000. Take a look inside. Sometimes simple is just what is needed. That's just what this Montana Rancher log home from Meadowlark Log Homes can provide. The company goes way back and also has deep Amish roots. The owners built their first log house back in the 70s when they were just young boys, and their love for log houses and cabins just continued from there. They now build log cabins, houses, lodges, pavilions, homesteads, and chalets. In 2015, they were chosen to do some of the restoration work on one of the old lodges known as Lake MacDonald Lodge in Glacier Park. They had to remove all the old wood and replace it with a new cedar railing. This was an exciting challenge and venture for the company, and will continue to be a part of the lodge's history for years to come. The first large log house the company built was in 1981, and it was a 1,900 square foot home called the Solar Lodge. In 1992, they built a huge log house with 7,000 square feet and 10 bedrooms, which is pretty impressive too. They've even done some circular wall construction too using logs, which is pretty impressive to say the least. All of their log houses are energy efficient too. They use a flat-on-flat building system with insulation tape and chinking and foam insulation to create a very well-insulated wall. This means that their log houses will be able to retain heat really well in the winter, and they will be able to stay nice and cool in the summertime. The company is also a member of the Log Homes Council, LHC, and the British Columbia Log and Timber Building Association, LTBIA. The LHC says that log houses are competitively energy efficient, and they are also environmentally safer than other construction methods. Log houses are also very durable and can last a very long time. We can even see log houses that have been standing since the 1600s, when pioneers first began building them. This means that log homes won't have to be rebuilt, which saves money and resources, which is more environmentally friendly too. Even after a log house or a wooden structure is taken down, that wood can usually still be used for other projects like making furniture and home decor. This particular log house, called the Montana Rancher, would look great anywhere it's placed. It would be a beautiful log house to build in the country or even in the forest. The front profile is gorgeous with a sunburst over the front entrance and a lovely porch on the front of the house too. The rounded logs are gorgeous and really emulate the style of a traditional log house. The home enters into the living area, which is 15 feet by 13 feet. The kitchen is the same size and it's open to the living room area, making for a nice open concept space. The master bedroom is on one side of the home with its own ensuite bathroom, and the other bedroom is on the other side of the home with a smaller bathroom. You can see that the logs are fully rounded, giving a nice round log profile on both the interior and exterior walls of the home. This home features 1,176 square feet on the main floor and a 336 square foot covered porch. There's also a smaller little 32 square foot deck on the side of the house. The cathedral ceiling in the main area of the house really opens the living space up and is always a good idea for log homes to show off the beauty of the beams. The pre-assembled log package costs $41,906 for this particular model.